Modern design with a desert oasis theme. Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Group, has been wanting to build a casino hotel here in Las Vegas for 20 years. This finally came true as Hard Rock Hotel was bought for $500 million and was renovated for an additional $200 million to open Virgin Hotels in 2022. Virgin Hotels Las Vegas is off the strip. Would you want to stay here? Today, we will rate the check-in process. We will rate a room. We have a Chamber King room with a pool view and the strip. So exciting! We will enjoy the pool. I'm actually ready. We will eat some delicious food. We will go around and see what's here in Virgin Hotels. And then we will bet $100 to see if we will have fine dining or we will drink our sorrows away. Uh-oh. Is Virgin Hotels worth your time and money? We're here to find out. And off we go. Hi! How are you? I'm just checking in right now. Can I get a high floor?
Ask the owner. I don't know.
I'll ask Richard Branson.
Yeah, ask Richard Branson. Yeah. We have the Canyon, the Opal, and then the Ruby.
What's the difference?
The Ruby are all suite towers. The Canyon and the Opal is more the standard rooms, but they do have suites.
Okay, we are at the Opal Tower. And man, it's beautiful. Opal elevators right here. 15, please. Thank you so much. Have you guys been staying here?
I love it. Yeah.
Oh.
Love it.
What's your favorite?
I just love the location. It's
Oh.
it's off the strip.
The prettiest hotel is Caesar's Palace.
Absolutely.
I do love it.
no,
Oh, this is 50. Oh, that's it.
Have a good one. I'm confused. Why is it 31 when we're in 15? Oh, whoa. Okay. No, our room is 15, 31, 526. Wow, that's a long number. It looks 3D, right? Virgin Hotels know what they're doing. Let's go check it out. Hey! This room just gives me a big smile. It's not just a hallway. They get right into business because this is the cabinet. I've already prepared my clothes here. On the other side is a full-length mirror. Right beside the cabinet is the vanity mirror. Guess what? We have two water waiting for you. It's not common in Vegas. If you want to divide your room, you can. I didn't know there's an extra cabinet here. On the other side is the loo. It's well lit and it's all white. It does give a hospital feel. I'm sorry. You will have a double ply tissue and a double shower too. When you get out of the loo, you will see right here your bedroom. It does give you a mid-century, modern, Palm Springs type of interior design. I love it so much. Shall we do a bed test? Here we come. The bed is hard. Smell test. It's perfect. No smell, no scent. I feel like I'm Little Mermaid. A whole new... We can charge our phone. I'm able to charge it, but I have to take it away from the case. That will make it so efficient for us, and we don't have to walk around. And you can also control air conditioning and lighting from the TV. And right below it is such a cute cart, but it's also a cabinet and a mini bar. Down here, I'm guessing this is the refrigerator. Don't think you can put any personal item in here because there is a charge also, and it's $40 for that one. Oh my, Virgin Hotels. I was kind of so proud of you, but I guess you can't get everything. Let me show you our view. Luxor right there, and Mandalay, and MGM Grand. And this is our view when the night falls. Towel here. Just one. What time does the crowd pick up? We're gonna try this pool out. Wow, it's warm. It's around 90 degrees right now, but later on it's gonna be 100 degrees. This is a shallow pool. It looks like to me like a fountain. So I'm living my dream now because, you know, I've always wanted to go in a fountain. There's a whirlpool right in the middle. Wow, this is interesting. I can feel the jets. We're doing the beach entrance. Oh, wow. Actually, I could put my stuff here. The water is cool. It's not cold. But it feels soothing even though it's not like the top quality sand. It's this sand from the Virgin Islands.
This pool is massive, and now we're on the other side. It looks like more guests are hanging out here.
Ah, that thing is hot. It feels really good to be in here right now. Never! First time.
Where do you think she will sit us? Well, not this bar, not this hallway.
Oh, really? You're giving me the cabana? Okay, thank you. I love it. It's a relaxing day. I actually don't feel like I'm in Vegas. The meals here are quite affordable and they don't have happy hour. However, on Wednesday evenings, they have half pasta off. So that might be a good idea for you. I think I want to use my hand to eat the burger. Bread is kind of burnt. 2 patties right there. Let's take a bite. You could see it in my face that it was delicious. Try the truffle fries, dip into aioli. It's good. I love the vibes of this place. I must say though that the order came late. I mean, even getting seated took time, but I think it's worth it. Well, you dine here if you have time. Every day I try to make it to 10,000 steps and right now we're just at 5,000. I am just halfway there, so help me out. Let's go around and see what Virgin Hotels has to offer. This funny library is a cool place to hang out in to get your coffee. I didn't really see Starbucks.
I'm starting to get addicted to these swing chairs.
This is Hudson's. It does look like an airport convenience store. The shopping does look like airport shopping. Balenciaga, Versace, Celine, Gucci, Ray-Ban. Hey The Rock, what's up? Who doesn't like a good old Dunkin' Donuts?
If you're looking for cheap lunch, this is your go-to.
I was like, why are the tables by the elevator? Oh, it's a fake one. This is wooden.
And if you're looking for 24-hour diner, this is your go-to.
Good. No, I'm just checking it out. Thank you, Juliana. You're amazing.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Ooh. It's the high limit slot. She's playing. Yeah. This casino is the first Native American run casino. Ooh, invited guests. Let's check it out.
It looks so fancy over here.
Hello. What does invited guests mean?
It's for like some of our casino guests and
Oh, love it. Thank you. Let's just take a minute to look at this painting.
What? A photo booth? This is so awesome. You actually can go in and take a picture of yourself for free and send it to your email. Isn't it cool?
We are just 7,000 steps. Before getting my treat, I have to walk 10,000 steps. Help me out. A second floor? Okay, I didn't know that. This is exciting because I thought like there's only like 1 floor. Now it's like, this is it. I'm not gonna make it to 5,000 steps with 1 floor. But now they have a second floor and I don't know what to find out. Skybox, but it's closed. What's in here? Private events and so much more.
It's a pretty cool event place.
I love it. What did you get?
I got a strawberry smoothie.
That looks so good.
And a strawberry banana one.
Ooh! Happy days. Guys, we're just finishing our 10,000 steps here.
They do have a good view to get me entertained. And of course, I watch some YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
Holy cow, I started working out. And man, this machine is state of the art. It counts your reps and your sets. here at the spa, and I was just telling my friend here how lucky she is to be here.
To be inside.
Know your worth and add tax. Yo, I can't add all today. Let's go here. What's your favorite flavor? Yeah,
My top three are the blueberry brownie.
do it. Okay. That's so interesting. It is like ube brownie. It's blue. I don't get it. It's vanilla and cookie. It's called Thai tea. Okay. I do like my boba. Just so amazed how they get the flavor to the point. Ooh. They have tahini and chamoy flavor. It's 111 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Experiencing heat wave right now. This ice cream is bringing me to life. This is the part where we bet $100 and see if we could win ourselves a good dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. But first, let's get a card.
What do you think we will play today?
Oh, this looks so fun.
But I feel like I'll win somewhere else.
Yay! Buffalo.
She does look like she's winning from Buffalo.
Okay, we can't play there. I hope she wins. Have some tables here, but we can't film. Woo! Big win! I kind of want to play this old school one. And since we are new members, we actually have a $10 bonus. I really want to win on this one because I'm hungry. What? It's broken. But 1 credit, spin reel.
Hello and welcome to Wheel of Fortune.
I just want to do this. So let's go. Yeah! I don't know what I bet though. Come on! I have no luck on those spins, so I'm gonna do blackjack. Let's go! We're gonna place $5. Right there.
No more bets.
No more bets. Got a 6 and a jack. We're gonna stand.
Would you like another card? Double.
What? I just... Stand, yeah. Okay. I bet $10 without even knowing.
Dealer bust. Winner.
I won!
Would you like
Hit.
another card?
Hit.
Hit.
I'm busted. Gonna do $10.
Finish betting.
Okay.
Insurance?
Yes. Stand.
Withstand. Dealer has 17.
Okay.
Dealer has 18.
Let's go for 25. Okay. We will stand, of course.
Stand.
Come on, 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 come on. Come on, come
Dealer
on.
bust. Winner.
Woohoo! And now, I'm not gonna bet my money anymore. I'm gonna get dinner because I'm hungry. Where will we eat? This thing is a really good one. It just actually closed on us. Have a sit down.
Cassie Beach House is cool.
This looks really cool. They close right now. Well, maybe next time. Okay, let's try this Nobu. Hi! Hello. Just me. Oh, whoa! What a welcome. Thank you.
This is Maui onion salsa. Enjoy.
So, sashimi and black pepper. Of course, you have three sauces as well.